For anybody who's done new product development, trying to take something from a piece of paper to a large-scale manufacturing platform, realize it's a really difficult task. Once you've done it one time from beginning to end, you have a real feeling of accomplishment. At the highest level, we make carbon foam and produce solutions for people using that carbon foam. There are products that we can make that are carbon-based, and we can do it from coal.
That's the beauty of using this material. You take what essentially is the carbon, you can change the molecular structure, and you can make it so it conducts electricity very well. It conducts thermal heat very well. You can make it so that it abates radar intrusion, so you can stop radar from penetrating. This has all sorts of properties which can change with the need of the end consumer. It's good for both the military application and for the commercial application.
When you're a technological startup, it's important for you to really be operating on the edge of the envelope. We have some very special products, very unique products, and trying to educate others and let them know what our capabilities look like. That's a challenge. When it comes to an outfit like Vertx, to connect with those types of people, they're usually at relatively high levels in those types of organizations. It's not easy being able to make those connections. So for us, those connections happen much more efficiently.
I've always had the notion when you come to public-private partnerships, it's really public, private, academic, and nonprofit. What they have developed lay in the middle of that. Their predecessor, Touchstone and NC Foam, have been so good about sharing with others how they use the SBIR process, the Small Business Innovative Research Grant, and the STTR process in order to be able to get the money they needed to scale up so that they could be a long-term viable supplier. And they can now, not only for the military, but also for the private sector as well. The versatility of this product is virtually endless.
West Virginia is really a central location for one of the biggest coal deposits in the world. If you look at that coal as a carbon ore, that's a very large amount of material that you can utilize to create products for people, for industry, for U.S. military. So West Virginia is really central to this coal deposit, and it has not only the material available, but the companies and the people who have the skills and the knowledge to recover that coal efficiently and beneficiate it to where it can be used as a carbon ore.
This can be scaled up dramatically. We need to be able to, not only for the marketplace, but for national security, be able to have our own indigenous resources that we can supply ourselves our needs. This is a critical need.